Hi there, this is Yvonne de Celis at YDCtv. I'm coming to you on Saturday. It is September 7th and it is 5:45 p.m. I am here to do a redo of the video that was prior to this one about how to take care of if you are having problems with colds, the flu, congestion, any sort of sinus type problems, seasonal sinus type problems. This is both preventive and it is also something you can do if you're having problems. And actually, I'm going to show you three things you can do. One of them is specifically for sore throats, but it's also preventive for all sorts of things. I'm going to start with the really brief one. This is a very quick thing you can do, and it's, I think, more preventive than anything. But if you're sick, it's probably something that can help you heal, although granted, if you're already feeling lousy, you might not want to do something that's uncomfortable, and no one could blame you for that. But basically, you just want to take your finger and put it up behind your earlobe, right where it connects with your neck. There's like a little notch there. It's going to be kind of sensitive, especially if you are sick. But you want to just very vigorously massage that point. And you should do both sides. And don't be surprised if one side you don't feel anything and the other one hurts. That's very normal. It's also normal for them to both kind of hurt. So it may be sensitive, but according to Donna Eden, who I originally discovered energy healing through, if it's really sensitive or if it's really sore, it means you need it. So for example, on me, probably because I have allergies, this side is actually very, very sensitive. I barely feel anything over here, so I'm not really going to spend any more time on that ear, but I'm going to just dig on this one for a little while longer, and then just drag the finger down and out. Shake your hand. You can also rub your hands together, shake them out. That'll get rid of any negative energy you may have picked up. So that's exercise number one. The next one is very easy too. Not as easy as that one, but easy. Using your collarbone, you want to put your fingers on all of them anyway, the four fingers anyway, index finger to pinky finger on the top of your collarbone and your other hand on the bottom of your jaw. And what you're going to do is be stretching the area between the bottom of your jaw and the top of your collarbone. You're just actually kind of pulling apart and stretching. So this is what we're doing. We're stretching first. Let me move my crystal out of the way for a moment. So continue the stretch, go to the chin, the center, and just go to the other side. Stretch them apart all the way to the ear. And then the next move, what we're doing is we're telling the energy where we want it to go. And since you're going into this area, you're going to just do little baby pinches. In other words, it shouldn't hurt. You should barely feel it. Just little baby pinches with your index finger and your thumb in the area that we've just been stretching out. So in between the top of the collarbone and the bottom of the jawline. Just little baby pinches. Again, we're just letting the energy know this is the space we're opening up for it. This is where we need it to go. So okay, again, that is for sore throats. It's if you have one already and or to be preventive if you want to make it part of your daily morning routine, what have you. That is a good thing you can do as well. I'll worry about my crystal thing later. I want to just get to the last exercise for you guys. Sorry about this. One last exercise. I'm so sorry, just having little issues. I shouldn't pay attention to that right now. One last exercise you can do, and this is also going to be a little bit uncomfortable. And again, if it's uncomfortable, it means you can really benefit from it. With your thumbs, starting at your chin, right at the center of your face, just start kind of digging against that jawline. Again, really shouldn't be saying dig. I should be saying vigorously massage. But I say dig because it may be uncomfortable in certain spots. Maybe not on the chin. Like me, I usually don't feel it until I get right about here. But you're going to just dig all the way up, vigorously massage. It's kind of like a tough love massage. And again, it may be uncomfortable, but if it is, it just means you're really benefiting from it if you do it. And just go all the way up to the underside again. We're going to be in that spot again, underneath where the ear connects to the head. And when you get to that point, just drag down with your index fingers and off the chest, and then rub your hands together and shake them off. And that's it. I hope that was helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to know more. Sorry to be so brief here. I just really wanted to redo this, and I hope that the audio comes out okay for you. I really do hope it does. I am going to get another microphone because this one's really not working properly, but really hope that's better. Thank you as always for your time. Namaste, peace and light, and I will be back next week with more. Thank you